di video reaction saya kali ini guys. Oke, mudah-mudahan semuanya sehat selalu. Nah, kali ini saya mau tengok video tentang ini ya. Dikira asli Yunani, bule ini terkejut permen Kopiko ternyata produk dari Indonesia. Permen Kopiko ini nih produk terkenal daripada Indonesia gitu ya. So, jangan lama lagi, mari sama tengok video ini. Let's go.
Apparently, Kopiko is an Indonesian brand of coffee.
Indonesian? Oh my god, it is! It's from Indonesia! Really? I don't even think the wogs knew! But don't they have Greek writing on it?
Was I the only person who thought that these were Korean? This is actually an Indonesian sweet. Yeah, like these are Indonesian, they're not Korean.
Yo gengs, bagi masyarakat Indonesia, permen Kopiko adalah bagian tak terpisahkan dari kehidupan sehari-hari. Mulai dari warung kelontong di pelosok desa hingga meja kasir di supermarket mewah, permen rasa kopi ini selalu hadir sebagai solusi praktis bagi mereka yang membutuhkan asupan kafein instan tanpa harus menyeduh air panas. Namun, siapa sangka bahwa di belahan dunia lain, permen ini memiliki identitas yang jauh berbeda. Baru-baru ini, sebuah potongan video dari sebuah podcast populer asal Australia menjadi viral di media sosial. Dalam video tersebut, para pembawa acara tampak sangat terkejut saat mengetahui fakta bahwa Kopiko bukanlah produk asal Yunani atau Turki, melainkan murni buatan Indonesia. Reaksi tersebut memicu diskusi menarik mengenai bagaimana sebuah produk makanan bisa melintasi batas budaya dan dianggap sebagai bagian dari warisan etnis tertentu di negara lain. Di Australia sendiri, terdapat istilah populer bagi komunitas diaspora dari wilayah Mediterania dan Timur Tengah. Kopiko secara unik telah lama mendominasi laci-laci meja dan toples permen di rumah-rumah keluarga Yunani dan Italia selama puluhan tahun. Karena ketersediaannya yang masif di toko-toko komunitas tersebut, banyak generasi muda di sana yang tumbuh besar dengan keyakinan bahwa Kopiko adalah produk tradisional dari negeri leluhur mereka. Kesalahpahaman ini kemungkinan besar terjadi karena kesamaan budaya dalam mengonsumsi kopi yang kuat dan manis di wilayah Mediterania. Selain itu, strategi distribusi global yang sangat efektif membuat permen ini mudah ditemukan di mana saja, sehingga identitas visualnya yang ikonis perlahan-lahan menyatu dengan keseharian komunitas diaspora tersebut. Tak hanya itu, orang Inggris penggemar drama Korea pun merasakan hal sama. Hanya karena Kopiko sering muncul di drama Korea, mereka mengira permen itu berasal dari Korea Selatan. Tapi setelah tahu faktanya, orang Inggris ini pun merasa tidak percaya bahwa permen yang selalu ia konsumsi dan dianggap dari Korea, ternyata aslinya produk dari Indonesia. Padahal jika ditelusuri sejarahnya, Kopiko adalah merek permen kopi yang diproduksi oleh PT Mayora Indah, sebuah perusahaan raksasa asal Indonesia. Namanya sendiri diambil dari kopi-kopi yang mencerminkan bahan utamanya, yakni biji kopi asli pilihan dari tanah air. Sejak pertama kali diperkenalkan, Kopiko memang dirancang sebagai permen kopi pertama yang benar-benar menggunakan ekstrak kopi asli, bukan sekedar perasa buatan.
What are the coffee lollies?
Oh, the Greek ones?
Kopiko.
Are they Greek? Or they're Turkish?
You know they've got ones that have like half and half, so they're different flavors, half coffee, half vanilla.
Yes, I've seen them. They're all delicious.
Apparently, Kopiko is an Indonesian brand of coffee.
Indonesian? Oh my god, it is! It's from Indonesia!
Really?
I don't even think the wogs knew! But don't they have Greek writing on it? Hang on a second, what's going on here? Kopiko is an Indonesian brand of coffee and confectionaries originally produced in Indonesia by Mayora Indah.
What? This is groundbreaking stuff.
All the wogs! The Kopiko coffee lollies are Indonesian!
What? You were lied to!
What?
We were lied to!
What is happening right now?
As a K-drama watcher, I've been seeing these Kopiko sweets everywhere and I always felt like I was missing out. Like, is it that good? Am I gonna have energy as well? So I wanted to try them, so I got a couple. Really interesting facts. It says halal on this and it says halal Indonesia. Was I the only person who thought that these were Korean? This is actually an Indonesian sweet. Yeah, like these are Indonesian, they're not Korean. They're so hard to open. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. I should point out, I don't even drink coffee. I don't like coffee, but you know, we're gonna try this. This tastes like a cappuccino. Is the flavoring cappuccino because it just says coffee on here. But yeah, I was expecting it to be like strong black coffee, but it's actually nice. I'm expected to be climbing up walls in a couple of hours. I actually really like these. I might just have it as like a regular sweet depending on the effects that this is going to have on me, which I think is going to be nothing. But the next thing I want to try is, you know, in animes, J-dramas, Thai dramas, when the character's ill, they have a cold, a fever, and then like their love interest, they put those square patches on their head. That's what I'm going to try next, because I get ill quite often. So next time I'm ill, I will be using those and try them out.
I really thought that Kopiko was a Filipino company. Kopiko is one of Indonesia's biggest success stories, with the owner going from selling biscuits to being the 11th wealthiest person in the country. The company is called Mayora, and their first product were these coconut biscuits up until the 1980s, when there was a cafe boom in Indonesia. Coffee demand went through the roof, and so they were like, people are loving coffee so much, you think they'd like coffee flavored candy? And so they added real coffee extract and created the story that this will be small enough to fit in your pocket, but will be strong enough to wake you up. And it'll give you the extra explosive caffeine boost that you need. And so Kopiko was born, coffee in your pocket. Kopiko's success went beyond Indonesia. It spread across Asia, reaching us here in the Philippines, and it even made it to space with NASA. And do you still remember Choki Choki and these Danish cookies and this brand of water? They're all owned by Mayora. Today, Kopiko isn't just in the coffee candy game, they're also in the coffee industry as well. I talk more about this in my YouTube video, so go check that out when I upload it soon. And that's the story of Kopiko.
Oke guys, ya tadi ya videonya ini. Jadi ada banyak varian gitu ya, rasa Kopiko nih yang saya selalu nampak di supermarket sini lah gitu ya, yang rasa kopi, cappuccino ya, cappuccino memang ada, terus yang rasa susu pun ada juga gitu ya. Dan memang sedap permen Kopiko daripada Indonesia ini, dan memang sudah mendunia lah gitu ya, masuk dalam drama-drama Korea lah gitu kan. So terima kasih banyak sebab kami sudah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, komen, dan juga share ya. Kita bertemu lagi di video reaction saya yang seterusnya. Assalamualaikum.